Guys, it's Chris right here, so I'm back with more mine Roblox. Yes. Oh great, I died. Well, oh great. Yes. So in this video, I'm playing Do Not Touch the Button. Pew. Wait, did I just got a coin for not doing anything? Wait, a coin. So I guess we should not touch the videos and this giant volcano. Watch out. I guess I have a cheat code that if you stay here, you don't die actually. Yes. So I want to survive, guys. Yes. You try to get it right. I'm trying to survive. You can walk through people. I thought I was going to push this guy so badly. Well, people are so dumb that they cannot come here. And guys, this is my first time playing this game. Do not touch the button. I don't know who dumb guy just touched that dumb button. Okay, the coin. Oh, great. So choose a side. In 9, I choose this. Why do people choose yellow? Fine, I will choose yellow. 2, 1, go. Oh, great. We were gonna die. Okay. 2, 1, go. Oh, great. These 3 people are going to win, obviously. Wait, can I buy weapons? Obviously not. Coins. Oh man. We are in space. I guess we have to get that in that green thingy. Oh, thank God I didn't go. Wait. So what do we do if we are in space? Yeah guys, sorry about it. Wait, what happened? Watch out for raining bombs. What raining bombs, bro? And how did that guy die? Oh my God. Oh my God. You gotta be seriously kidding me. Okay, wait a minute. If I stay here, nothing happens, huh? Well, guys, I'm not that kind of guy. A survivor will have to be ever be near this button. I'm protecting the button. Oh, no thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Yep, the button is too strong. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, so yeah, that minigame. Sorry, guys, I didn't let you watch the minigame. And rob the bank. Well, that's too easy. Guys, it's literally too easy. Wait, let the laser come. In 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, oh, that almost got me killed. Okay, it will be so hard to rob the bank. Whoa, I was about to die. Dollar. Great, I died. It's like epic mini games, okay guys? Yes. Don't judge me. I will press the button. I shall press that button finally. Do not press that button. Why? Can you go again to rob it? Actually, I want to. Yep, get out of there. Oof. Oh, oh my God! I'm in so less health. I'm going to make it. Great, I couldn't. Okay, let's do it again. Guys, I guess I'm so bad at this game. Don't judge me, okay? I'm the best PvP master bot. Yes, I knew it. Don't judge me, okay guys? I'm the best PvP master you talking about. Great. Aliens! Whoa, 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 whoa. Why did I stand in this dumb middle? Button presser. Oh my God. Why the hell did I stand here? Yeah, that guy's also dead. Okay, wait now. Stop going there. Okay, press. Find the correct path. Button presser. Um. Okay. Great. Get ready. Um. Oh no, hobby. Okay, fine. Oh no, darn it. Guys, I'm a hobby master, but the problem is I don't do hobbies in rush. Actually, yes. And this guy looks like the Rainbow Friend Blue. Guys, I didn't did a video on Rainbow Friends yet, but you get the point. I watched some things, and I guess I will do some Rainbow Friends hobby. Oh, wait. Why did my name didn't came? Reach the top. That's too easy actually. Yes, that's actually too easy, guys. Just do not get. How did I got hit? I don't get it. How did I get hit? Yes. Torched him. Guys, it's too easy as I told, okay? So, I don't need to worry. Because now I know where is it coming. Okay. Just reach. Okay. Dark Knight made it, boy. Wait, what if I get hit? Lol, that would be too dumb. Yep, but still. Be careful. Okay. I will be careful. Why did he say that? I don't care. Yep, that girl didn't become careful. Guys, my battery. Okay, so chill. Okay. Wait. Are these crashing? No. Yay, we did it! Yay! Brah! Yeah, I did. What can I do, guys? But I made it! Oh my god, it would be too funny if I do it again. Lol. Wait, let's see. Okay, still I got the button presser. I will press the button, I shall press it. Who was a button presser? Yep, that's not me. Okay, it's like I survived without doing anything. Fight, winners, brah. Great. Oh, so I can't move. That's so obvious, bro. Where are those guys? Wait a minute. Where was? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, McDonald. Watch out. Oh, great. Hi, bro. Oh, so you were the one who pressed that dumb button that led us to a bomb. Um, yes. Green light. Oh my god. Is this Kochi? Yes, it is. You should listen to the song. That will make you more minded. Hello, shoe. Oh, see my shadow right there. Yep, that's my shadow. The walking shadow. Yes. The jumping. Now how many members? Oh my god. Yes, I was a button presser. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna press a dumb button again. Well, touching. Oh, somebody stopped that. Okay, good. Okay, yes. Basketball. Football. Another baseball thingy. Oh my god. Yes. Yeah, the thingy. The soccer ball. Oh, that ball. This again ball. Oh, this is too easy, boy. Only one wrong. How bad can it go? Yeah, it's very easy, bro. Seriously, who made this game? And I want that red light, green light back. And was it lights out with that balloon thingy, hair dryer thingy? Okay, wait. The ball should stop. Yeah, boy. Escape the burning building. Oh, it's like drop down or... Bro, I don't even know what to do in that. Who was the button tap? You were the one and you only failed. Oh my god, these guys, these. Can we wait, what can we buy in the shop? A quick snap? Wait. Oh my god. Wait, get. Huh. Nope. I got myself too. Yay! Restore. What restore? Oh my god. What is this? What game am I playing? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Cassius. Ouch. Okay, great. Who was a dumb button presser? Watch out for the spikes. What spikes? Oh my god. Those spikes. Got it. I just have to make sure I don't touch the color red. Yes. Now go in that spot. That's what, and now go in that spot. That's what, and now go on that spot. That's what, now go on that spot. See guys, I know this game pretty well. And it's very easy. Only a noob will, lose it. Fine, does she has a laser? Destroy the spikes then. Bro. I'm getting so angry right now. That how are people dying to that? How many people? Oh my god. Oh great. Whoa. I was about to die, but bro, this is so easy. How can people fail at it? Button press. Button press. What's a button presser? I hate this girl. What is it? Hurry, reach the end. Okay. How? What is that? Oh, a tsunami. It's like red light, green light, I guess. Do it, people! Yay! I cheer for you. Yeah, but I don't see. So, guys, yes. So we made it. I'm so bad at this game. But in the next video, which is I don't know when. But guys, remember 5 likes and 10. I make it 5 for you, easy for you guys. But if you want more, that would be better. So guys, 5 likes and I want to play one more of this video. I mean, more of these games. Oh my god, bro! Everybody should get equal shots. So this is the last game I'm playing. Oh, it's like a dropper. Okay, these droppers have no match for me. Okay, thank goodness I get one more chance. Yep, missed that. Okay, so as I told, these droppers have no match for the crate. Oh my god, these are transparent. And they are now lasers. How am I gonna make this true? Guys, I'm so lucky right now. And yay, I made it. Dark Knight made it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Remember, 5 likes and I will play more this game. Whatever this game is. Bye.